Hi there, this is Mary from the Contrary Art Center, and today I just wanted to kind of go over a trace monotype. A trace monotype is where you use a surface and you place the ink down and you roll it out with a brayer, use a piece of paper, and then you can trace an image, or you just draw a little bit on top, and then what you get is an inked image. I'll show you right now how that goes. The surface that I'm printing on today is actually a placemat that I got at IKEA, and then I cut out some frames. I peeled back the frame, and then I'm going to ink this side, and then I'm going to do the trace monotype here. Today I'm going to be using Akua Intaglio printing ink. Since it's very messy, that's one of the reasons why we wear gloves. You only need a little bit to place on the surface. And you're going to take your brayer and you're going to roll it out so it's nice and smooth and even. Next, I'm going to replace the frame and put it back directly over here. I'm also going to remove my gloves because even though I'm going to be printing still, I don't want to get my paper dirty. So I'm just going to be using some printmaking paper, and this one is from Jack Richardson, and it's really great paper for hand printing. So what I'm going to do is place my paper down, and I'm not going to push down on the inked surface here, and then I'm going to tape down the top. And with a pencil or the back of a brush, I'm going to make some marks. So I'm just going to make some marks on the back here, and you can even use your finger. Inside the frame. And the tape ends up holding it steady, but you can check on it this way too. So as you can see, it made kind of an interesting little mark. So that's what a trace monotype is.